No relationship is worth damaging your mental health. Spend time with the elderly. Their wisdom and experiences are invaluable. Never expect someone to catch you when you fall, even if you have caught many from falling. There are times when you see someone for the last time and don't even realize it. Watch out. You'll never know the true value of the moment until it becomes a memory. Just because a thought got your attention doesn't mean it deserves your attention. Be around people who feed your soul, not eat it. If you want the present to be different from the past, study the past. The key to happiness is letting each situation be what it is, instead of what you think it should be. When writing the story of your life, don't let anyone else hold the pen. There are two paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the road you're on. Don't see anyone as your competition. You don't have the same goals, ambition, or brains. You're not the same. If you stay positive in a negative situation, you win. The heaviest burden we carry is the weight of our expectations. Learn to handle rejection gracefully. It's a part of life. There is no other quality so essential to success of any kind as the quality of perseverance. It overcomes almost everything, even nature. Do not let the things that have hurt you turn you into a person you are not. Build your own dreams, or someone else will hire you to build theirs. Mistakes are proof that you are trying.